Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty Kerala style yellow cucumber curry. We need only 20 minutes for the preparation. Usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 200 grams or 1.5 cup of chopped yellow cucumber. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 4 green chili slits, half teaspoon chili powder, 3 by 4 teaspoon salt, half cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded paste. In a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut, 2 shallots, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup of curd. Grind it into a paste form. After 5 minutes, open the lid. It has cooked well. Now add the grinded paste to it. Also add 1 by 4 cup of water washed with the grinder jar. Half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Careful not to boil.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Finally, for seasoning, in a pan take 1.5 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 by 4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Add 3 dry red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Serve it for a minute on low flame. Switch off the flame. Add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and stir only after 10 minutes. This helps absorbing the flavors. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix it nicely. Tasty Kerala style yellow cucumber curry recipe is ready. We need only 20 minutes for the preparation. Usually served along with the rice for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.